How to create a QR code in Canva. First is by opening your Canva app and then go to this plus button or this create button right here. Choose the file size that you want. So for example, I'll just choose logo right here. Once you have chosen the file size or border or Canva that you want, make sure to go to apps right here on the rightmost part and search for QR. So you may choose whichever you want. I'll just choose QR code generator right here and then choose the app that I want. Click on open right here and then you should enter the URL of your business or of your Facebook, your Instagram, or etc. So you may then customize or change background color, the foreground color, and also the margin. So you may also use other apps, so make sure to go back to apps right here. And then there is a suggested app or a trending app on Canva, which is this one. Simply click on that one, click on open, and then you may choose a lot of templates right here. So for example, I'll choose this one, and again, you may choose or input the link that you want, change the color of your QR, and then there you go. That's how you can create a QR code in Canva.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.